everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's requested video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to schedule pins to Pinterest for free. So if you want to learn how to schedule a pin to Pinterest for free, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an impactful online business with my help, make sure that you subscribe today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. Don't forget also to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and dive in. Now, as many of you guys know, Pinterest is my #1 platform for everything that I do online, whether I'm using it for my blog, whether I'm driving traffic from Pinterest to my email list, whether I'm driving traffic to my YouTube channel or my affiliate marketing. Pinterest is my #1 platform that I spend the most time because it gives me the best results out of all my social media platforms. Pinterest does for me what my Twitter account can do, even though I have 124,000 followers. What my Instagram account doesn't do, even though I got 46,000 followers. What my blog and other areas, YouTube, almost 16,000 followers, that can't not achieve the same results like I do by using Pinterest. Pinterest, I'm telling you guys, it's a game changer for everyone out there, and is not used correctly. And I think one of the biggest myth is that a lot of people say, oh, it doesn't work. Pinterest is just for saving ideas and doing yourself crafts, and it really doesn't bring me any sale. The reason why these people say that is because they're not utilizing Pinterest the correct way, and that's the reason why. They have tried it, they're not doing it correctly, so therefore they're not getting the results. So if you're interested in growing your Pinterest account like I do, like I have with this account and my other 6 accounts, this one I get 3 million monthly viewers per month that sees my products, services, affiliate marketing, etc. And it drives tons of traffic back to different destinations that I send traffic to. So if you want to learn how to leverage the power of Pinterest, make sure that you sign up for my Mastering Pinterest course. I will leave the link in the comment section below and also in the text box below if you guys are interested in joining today. But I highly recommend, whether you join my course or not, to start doing Pinterest for your business, whether you are an Etsy business owner, a Shopify business owner, maybe you have your own small business. It doesn't matter. Pinterest is the place to be. So just wanted to kind of get that out of the way. Now, one of the questions that I got asked is, if I don't have money to use Tailwind, which is an automated system for your pins, how can I schedule some pins to make my life easier and to kind of have stuff scheduled throughout the month or throughout the weeks? So the easiest way to do so is using Pinterest scheduling tool, which is free actually. And there's nothing special, like any tool that you have to get is basically something that's overlooked by a lot of people. A lot of people don't even know this exists. All you have to do is, when you're ready to pin something on Pinterest, you go to that specific board. I'm going to do one from one of my newer videos. So I'm going to click on Etsy YouTube. This is all the pins from my YouTube channel. And all you have to do is you would choose create pin. So right here, and you would choose the plus sign that creates the pin right here. And then you will have the pin ready. I have my pin right here. So I'm just going to drag it. I'm going to put the name of the pin, which is Make Money on Pinterest. And then I'm going to do my description. If you want, I should have done this earlier, so I apologize. Learn how to make money on Pinterest through. So I just put, if you want to learn how to make money on Pinterest through affiliate marketing, make sure to check out my video. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the link to that video, which is this one here. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to put the link right here. So once you have this filled in, you have your title, you have your description, and you have your actual link where you want that traffic to go to. Right here it says publish immediately. But if you go here, publish at a later time, you're able to publish 2 weeks ahead of time. So you're able to do 2 weeks at a time, up to 30 pins per month. So you're able to come in here and say, okay, I want to publish this for tomorrow, Saturday, let's say you want to do 9 a.m. And then you just click on publish, and it's going to automatically put it as a scheduler. See? So schedule to pin on Saturday the 18th at 9 a.m. That's all you have to do. And you could do this multiple times with different pins. It will automatically put it in this category that you already selected. But it's that simple. And I highly recommend doing so, because a lot of times if you have already an Etsy store or your own business that you're running, and you have to check your emails and you have so many things to do on a daily basis, having your pins already scheduled out throughout the week is just going to make life easier. You could sit down, do all your pins within 20 minutes, schedule 2 weeks ahead, and call it a day. And that's going to give you 2 weeks of pins that you don't have to do every single day, and you'll have more time for other things on that particular day. So this is the best way to schedule a pin without having to pay anything, and it's completely free, and there's nothing that you need to download or use. So I hope that you enjoyed this video on how to schedule pins on Pinterest. If you have any questions about Pinterest or videos that you would like me to create, make sure that you leave a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to do a video on that particular topic. And thank you guys for watching.